Ever wonder if a humble plant could be your secret weapon against fatigue, inflammation, and even cognitive decline? Meet Moringa, the so-called miracle tree. Imagine a humble tree, its leaves dubbed miracle greens, quietly nourishing communities for centuries while the modern world raced after flashy superfoods. What if the key to better energy, glowing skin, and even balanced blood sugar was hiding in plain sight? That's the story of Moringa, a botanic so potent it sparked a fiery debate among scientists. It's been quietly gaining a cult following, and for good reason. You're swamped, deadlines are looming, stress has spiked, and you can't remember the last time you woke up truly energized. Coffee helps, but it leaves you jittery. Inflammation flares after long days at the desk, and your mood? Let's just say it's hanging by a thread. You've tried countless supplements, each making bold claims but delivering little. You crave something natural, potent, and backed by science. Could Moringa really be the answer? And if so, why isn't everyone talking about it? When Moringa first gained Western attention, skeptics rolled their eyes. Another overhyped trend, they argued. After all, the market was already flooded with matcha, kale, and spirulina. But as research piled up, a conflict emerged. Detractors pointed out gaps in studies, warning of exaggerated claims. Was it a cure-all? Advocates fired back with centuries of Ayurvedic use and emerging evidence of Moringa's 40-plus antioxidants and anti-inflammatory powers. The turning point, a 2023 study showing Moringa's ability to lower fasting blood sugar by 30% in diabetic patients, a finding even critics couldn't ignore. Today, Moringa stands vindicated. Here's why it's worth your curiosity. Brace yourself. Moringa checks more boxes than you expected. It's a nutrient powerhouse. Its leaves deliver an impressive dose of vitamins, A, C, B complex, minerals, iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, protein, and amino acids, outpacing spinach, milk, and oranges in key nutrients. Potent antioxidant plus anti-inflammatory arsenal. Packed with flavonoids, phenolics, quercetin, and isothiocyanates, Moringa tackles oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, gifts to your heart, joints, and skin. Energy and cognition support, caffeine-free. With B vitamins, iron, and compounds boosting mitochondrial function, this green gem sustains energy levels and promotes mental clarity, minus the crash. Blood sugar and cholesterol regulation. Compounds like chlorogenic acid, quercetin, and isothiocyanates may help stabilize blood sugar and reduce LDL cholesterol, potentially lowering heart disease risk. Mood, libido, and immune resilience. Early research hints that Moringa supports serotonin production, may alleviate stress-induced sexual dysfunction in both men and women, and could boost immune responses, though more human studies are needed. Anti-aging and skin perks. Antioxidants in Moringa may combat premature wrinkles and support wound healing. Its cytokinins promote collagen, battling wrinkles from within. Seed oil also moisturizes and can soothe inflammatory skin conditions. Add 1/2 teaspoon Moringa powder to smoothies, yogurts, soups, or pesto. Sprinkle it on salads or whisk into tea. Or opt for a reputable supplement, but always verify third-party testing. Safety notes. Avoid root bark, it may be toxic. Consult your doctor if pregnant, nursing, or on medications for blood pressure, blood sugar, thyroid, or iron overload. Final takeaway. Moringa isn't just hype. It's a scientifically supported superfood that can refresh your energy, soothe inflammation, and support overall wellness. With smart, moderate use, it's a natural way to enhance vitality without the jitters or crash of caffeine. Curious to try it? Start small. Just a 1/2 teaspoon in your morning smoothie could be the reset you've been waiting for. Sometimes the best solutions aren't new, just overlooked. As one nutritionist admitted, we were wrong to dismiss Moringa. It's not magic, but it's close. Let us know in the comments if you have any tips or tricks use this amazing plant. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.